Now, welcome back to the module addition and subtraction of fraction. Now, in this module, we want to examine live example of fraction application. Now, we are taking a scenario of two girls named Habiba and Bashiro. So, in Habiba's father bought a bread, and that bread was divided into 12 loaves. Yeah, 12 parts, 12 slices. So out of that 12 slices, Abiba took 6 parts of the sliced bread, while that of Bashir's papa bought a bread that was divided into 10 slices. So Bashir took 4 out of 10. Then I ask you, how much of loaf do the two girls took altogether? So we can see it now. Let's start with the solution. Now, solution for the first statement. Solution. Abiba took 6 parts of 4 loaf of 12 parts. So Abiba, how many? 6 out of 12. 6 over 12. Bashiro, she took 4 out of 10. 4 over 10. Now, the two girls now, Abiba plus Bashiro now. The two of them will be 6 over 12 plus 4 over 10. Now, the denominator is not the same. The denominators are not the same. So what we have to do here is that we need to find the LCM of 12 and 10. Now, when we talk about LCM, lowest common multiples, let's start with 12. This is 12 now. What are the multiples of 12? The multiple of 12 starts from 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 7, 84. You can see 6. The next one will be what? 90. Followed by what? 108. Followed by 120. These are the multiples of 12. Now let's go again with this one, the second one. We want to find the multiples of 10. The multiples of 10. Start from the first one. 10 times 1, 10. Then 20, alright. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Let's stop like this. Now, as it is now, if we should check the 12, the multiple of 12, and the multiples of 10, what are the common numbers? So here, we can find 60 here, and also 60 here. 60 is common to both sides. And here also we can find 120. Here also 120. So with this now, 60 and 120, which one is lowest? 60. That is why the lowest common multiple, the LCM of 12 and 10 is 60. So LCM of 12 and 10 is equal to 60. Now, since 60 is an LCM, we now say, we come out to here. Now say is equal to, make a line like this, we write 60 here. Now, this 60, now 12 goes in 60, how many times? 5, because 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5, Abby? Now say 5 into bracket 6. Then this is plus, Abby? 10 also goes in 60, how many times? 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Now say 6 into bracket 4, 6 times 4. Now is equals to 5 times 6, 30. 6 times 4, 30 plus 24 over 60. So our final answer will now be 54 over 60. So, which is now equals to, let us put this now, let's put it at the come here, which is equals to 54 all over 60. What do you think is common out of them? 6 is common. 6 goes in 54. 9 over 10. So it means that the two of them actually took 9 over 10 loaves of bread together. Am I making sense? So the two of them took 9 over 10 loaves of bread. That is how it is being done. So we use a live hypothetical example for this thing. So if you're having a kind of mistake, please check before I rub up the board. So let me rub this area and redo this. So I hope you have gotten how to find the LCM. You find the multiple first. We now compare these two numbers. Hey. So now we say Bashira took 6 over 12 and this one took 4 over 10. Now the LCM of them is 6 over 10. Another thing you can do is that before you move here, you can cut them down because this one can actually cut itself. These two can, 6 goes there. This thing is the same thing as saying this is over 12, the same thing as 6 goes in 6, 1 in 12 over 2, right? Then this one also the same thing as saying 2 over 5. Is that not so? And if we now say that we want to add 1 over 2 plus 2 over 5, our LCM of 2 and 5 is what? 10, because 2 can go in 10 and 5 can also go in 10. Now say 2 goes in 10, 5 times 1, 5 plus 5 goes in 10, 2 times 2, 4, which is equal to 9 over 10. Can you see? We still arrive at the same answer. We still arrive at the same answer. So this is how it goes. Don't let me go like that. So now say that Abiba took 6 out of 12 loaves and Bashira took 4 out of 10 slices. So what the two of them to how much of loaf the two girls took? So is this. So LCM of both denominators, that is 12 and 10, is 60. Now do like this, 60. After you've written that 60, now this 12 goes in 60. How many times? 5. The 5 here, they open the bracket, times 6. You will see like it did before. Now this is plus, Abi, plus. Also, we now say 10 goes in 12. How many times? 6. Write that 6 to bracket 4, which is same thing as 5 times 6, 30, plus 6 times 4, 24 all over 60, which is equal to 54 all over 60, which is same thing as 9 all over 10. So the two of them took 9 over 10. Two of them took 9 out of 10 loaves of bread. The two of them took 9 out of 10 loaves of bread. So this is how where we stop for now. Till next class, where we'll be doing much more example of this. Bye for now.